Okay, kindergarten, let's work on some numbers. What number do you see? You're right, that is the number 3. And we have a poem for the number 3. We put our finger right here and we say, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. And here's the word 3, T-H-R-E-E. We look at number words near the end of kindergarten and the beginning of first grade. So this is a 3, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. What about this number? What is that number? That is the number 4. Here's my poem for the number 4. I go down and over, pick up my finger, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Ready? Try it with me. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And here is the number word 4, F-O-U-R, 4. All right, so today in math, we're going to be looking at those numbers. When you get out your math workbook to work later on today, up at the top it's going to say 1.4. And I'm just going in order, so each day we are doing one page, except on Fridays we'll do different activities. But if you need the number, it says P9 for page 9 at the bottom. If you already have it out, then yes, you can be working with me. But if not, I'm just letting you know what page we'll be on. So we're going to look at each picture. We're going to count to see how many there are, and then we're going to try to write that number by ourselves today. So on the first one, they've got it for us just to show us what to do. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. They already put the 3, so we just need to trace it. Remember our poem, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Okay, go over and put your finger on the yellow sun. Let's count the bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to put your pencil at the top. You're going to go down, over on the dotted line, pick up your pencil, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. All right, put your finger on the next one. All right, looks like we got some turtles. Count the turtles. 1, 2, 3. And you are going to write a 3. So you put your pencil near the top. You go around a tree to the dotted line, around a tree to the bottom line. That's the way to make a 3. All right, now we're going to put our finger over here on the flower. Let's count the bumblebees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your pencil at the top, go down and over, pick up your pencil, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. All right, we're going to finish up on this page. I see some butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can write a 4 by yourself. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And then count our last pictures. 1, 2, 3. See if you can write a 3. Put your pencil near the top, around a tree to the dotted line, around a tree to the bottom line. It's going to take practice, so just keep working on it. All right, then we're going to pick up that page and turn it over, and they're just going to check to see how we're doing with our numbers and our counting. So by the apple, we're going to count those butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. They want you to trace those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many butterflies are there? 4. So we're going to fill in the circle under the number 4. We practiced writing all of them, but we're just going to mark one answer. by the yellow sun. We did this the other day. I want you to trace the number, fill in the boxes for that number, and then color to show how many dots. So I traced the 4. I'm going to color 4 boxes. Remember, I like to mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then fill in the circle that shows 4 dots. They're doing a lot of the same activities over and over each day to give you practice with them. Because I just want to make sure you know these numbers, that you know how to count them, you know how to write them, and you know how to find them. And your last question, how many flowers do you see? Count them, 1, 2, and mark your answer. All right, if you worked alongside with me, then you are finished with that math page for the day. If you did not work alongside with me, if you were just watching for directions, now you are ready to do your math page. Have a great day, boys and girls.